వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ విక్టరీ 365 డేస్. మీరు కొత్తగా నా ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్టుగా అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. టుడే ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ది క్లాస్ 7 మ్యాథ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ టాపిక్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. It is exercise to solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. In this exercise, we may observe two types of problems: with transposing, without transposing. Here already they gave one equation. In this equation, we have to find x value without transposing. We know that process. Here 5 is transposed to right side. So if we transpose to right side, x equal to 9 minus 5. We get the x equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. That is one of the process. But here without transposing, then what we do? So here we simply identified here which we have to subtract. We have to subtract minus 5 on both sides of the equation. మనము ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సింపుల్గా ఇక్కడ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే వితౌట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఏ వాల్యూ అంటే +5 వేయాలా, -5 వేయాలా, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 5 వేయాలి, డివిజన్ 5 వేయాలా మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. అలా చెక్ చేసుకుంటే ఈ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూని ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ చేయగలం. సో ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, x + 5 ఉంది ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఇక్కడ -5 తీసుకుంటే 5కి 5 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే మనకి ఏంటి, సింపుల్గా x వాల్యూ మిగులుతుంది. కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, వీ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ -5 ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్. దెన్ వీ రైట్ దట్ ఈక్వేషన్ x + 5. సో హియర్ బోత్ సైడ్ వీఆర్ 5 subtract, so -5 here. So right side again 9 minus 5. This 5 we are using here. So here +5 is there, -5 is there. So finally what we get, x equal to, this is cancelled, 5 minus 5 equal 0. So right side 9 minus 5 equal how much, 4 only. So already we get the x equal 4. So this value substitute to in equation 1. This is the one of the equation 1. X equal 4, substitute in equation 1. What we get, x place we substitute 4, x place. So left hand side value LHS equal to x + 5. So x place what is there, 4 + 5 equal to how much, 9. So what is the RHS value, 9 only. So finally what we get, 9 equal to 9. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. We solved. That is only. We will go to the next problem. First problem, second one. Y minus 12 equal to -5. Here without transposing, how to solve? So here how to find y value. So here which number we take to find the y value. So without transposing. సో ఇక్కడ మనము ఏ వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటే y వాల్యూ అనేది ఈజీగా మనకు వస్తుంది. సో అక్కడ మనకి -12 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ ప్లేస్లో +12 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు +12కి -12కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోవటం వల్ల y ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, రైట్ సైడ్ కూడా +12 తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఎంత మిగులుతుంది, y ఈక్వల్ 7 మిగులుతుంది. సో వితౌట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ సాల్వ్ అనమాట. సో అక్కడ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి అప్పుడు మనం, y minus 12 equal to -5. So it is the equation 1. So here the LHS of the equation y minus 12. Here we have to add plus 12 on both sides of equation. On both sides of equation. So here what we do, both sides also 12 is added. Y minus 12 plus 12. So he equal to minus 5 plus 12. So here what happened, minus 12 plus 12 both are cancelled. So here y only we have, minus 5 plus 12 is there. So what we get here, plus 7 only. So here get the y value. This value substitute in equation 1. So y equal to 7 is substitute, 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5. So 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5 only. So y equal to 7, substitute in equation 1. So what we get here, in y place we are 7 is substituting, 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5. So here what is the LHS? 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5. So what is the RHS value? Minus 5. So finally we get the left hand side and RHS. Both are equal. So that is completed. Okay, yeah, same as we can do remaining sums also, same process. So here third sum, 3x plus 4 equal to 19. So this is also we can do same process, 3x plus 4 equal to 19. That is equation 1. We have to subtract minus 4 on both sides of the equation. So here 3x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 19 minus 4. Here both sides 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancelled. So here 3x equal to 19 minus 4 equal to 15. So again without transposing we are doing. So both sides divided by again 3. So here both place 3x by 3, 15 by 3. So 3 by 3, these two also cancel. Again 3, this is 15, 3 1s are 3, 5s. So x equal to 5 only we are getting. So then we find checking the result. 3 into x place we are substituting 5. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 is there. So equal to 19. 3 5s are 15. So this is the left hand side value. LHS equal to 15 plus 4 equal 19. RHS equal to what is there? 19 only there. So here left hand side and right hand side both also equal. So same process, this problem also we can do 9z equal to 81. So but here 9z equal to which number we should put in this place? Here we get the z value. So here we have to divide it by 9, then we get z value. So here that's why we have to divide it by 9 on both sides. So here 9z by 9, 9 to cancel, equal to 81 by 9, 9 1s are 9 9s. So here get z equal to 9 value. So checking that result, z equal to 9, substitute in equation 1. So we get 9 into 9. In z plus we are taking 9. 9 into 9 equal to 81. Left hand side as same as right hand side 81 is there. So LHS equal to right RHS. Okay, we can do remaining sums from exercise 2. 3x plus 8 equal to 5x plus 2. You can see this, that problems all also same process. You may observe this problem also do same process. We have to subtract minus 8 on both sides. So this will be cancelled. So plus 8 minus 8 cancel. We are getting like this. Next one, sixth sum also you can do same process. That's enough. We can go to the exercise 2, second Roman. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. This problem also we are doing same process but by transposing method. before Raman we are doing without transposing. This is by transposing. Transposing means here 2 plus y equals 7 is given. But this 2 is transferred to the right hand side. Then we get the y value easily. So we can do that process. So y equal to 7 minus 2. So what we get, y equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. This y equal to 5, substitute in equation 1. Checking result. Y equal to 5, substitute in equation 1. So in y place we put this value. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So 2 plus 5 equal to 6. Right hand side. Both are equal. As same as we can do remaining sums also same process. So third one you can see 10 minus q equals 6. This is equation 1. So this is left hand side, minus q is there. This 10 is transferred to the right hand side. 6 minus 10 is there. So minus q equal to 6 minus 10 equal to minus 4. So minus cancel. So q equal to 4 is there. Again q equal to 4, substitute in equation 1. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So 10 minus 4, 10 minus q plus we are substituting 4, 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So left hand side 10 minus 4 equal to 6 only there, and again right hand side also 6 is, so that's why left hand side equal to right hand side equal. So next fourth one also do same process. 2t minus 5 equal to 3. This is the equation 1. 2t equal to minus 5 is transferred to the right hand side. So this is 3 plus 5 is there. So 2t equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So then again 2 is transferred to the right hand side. Left hand side division, so right hand also division. So left hand side multiplication is there, it is transferred to the right hand side, divisible. So t equal to 8 by 2 equal to 2 to cancel just 4 is there. So t equal to 4. This t equal to 4, substitute in equation 1. So t place we are substituting 4. So 2 into 4 minus 5 equal to 3 is there. So 2 4 is 8, minus 5 is there, here equal to 3. 8 minus 5 minus 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Again right hand side 3 is there, so left hand side and right hand side equal. We can do remaining sums also same process. 14 equal to 27 minus x, 14 minus, so 27 is transferred to the left hand side. 14 minus 27 equal to minus x. So 14 minus 27 is minus 13 equal to minus x. Minus cancel. Again x equal to 13. So x equal to 13, substitute in equation 1. We are getting both are equal. This is also same process. So 5 into x plus 4 equal 35. So we multiplied with this bracket place. So 5 into x means 5x plus 5 into 4 equal 20. 5x plus 20 equal 35. So this 20 is transferred to the right hand side. Then you solve easily. Second remaining sums also same process. Minus 3x equal to 15. So x, that means 3 is transferred to the right side. So it is divisible, then right side it will move to the right side, divisible. So x equal to 15 by minus 3. So 3 1 3 5, x equal to minus 5 we are getting. This 5, this x equal to minus 5, substituting this value. So minus 3 into 5 equal to 15. So minus cancel. So 3 5 is 15. 15 equal to 15. So left hand side equal to right hand side equal. Next sum, 5x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 5. So this is the equation 1. So again, so these two variables is there in equal side. Again, two constant values there. So these two are so transferable. So 5x, this 3x is transferred to the left hand side, minus 3 equals transferred to the right hand side. So 5x minus 3x equal to minus 5 plus 3. So then 5x minus 3x equal to, we are getting again minus 5, this is transferred to the right side. So plus 3. So 5 minus 5 plus 3 equal to minus 2. So again minus 2 is transferred to the, or 2 is transferred to the right hand side. So x equal to minus 2 by 2 cancelled. So we are getting minus 1 only. This value substitute in equation 1. So we are getting this one. So both are equal. As same as remaining sums are the same process.